I am just blown away. I just finished going through the secret traffic hack for my friends Jeremy and James, and wow, just this is totally bonkers. You have to see this thing. I'm going to tell you all about it coming up in my review of the secret traffic hack. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can promote successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Hey, another new video of Neil. This is getting interesting. Anyway, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. To review software and info products to make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's very, very simple. Let's make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
Crap, I like crap. I love crap. I need crap.
Okay, dude, seriously, I've told you before, nobody wants crap. I don't think you do either. You have this weird existential crisis about wanting crap. Nobody does. You don't. This guy doesn't want it either. He just likes to talk about it. Anyway, but seriously, if you're new to the channel, the way these work, if I like about the book, give a tip, my hat's the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here about mindset and entrepreneurship.
Billionaire entrepreneur.
No, not quite a billionaire, although thank you for the vote of confidence. And by the way,
Where is Liz Lemon?
exactly, where is Liz Lemon? But seriously, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button, the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos automatically. Subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Like this video, comment down below. Let's go ahead and get right into this. Let's look right now at the sales page for the secret traffic hack. This is from James Bernouf and Jeremy Kennedy. This thing is totally awesome. Okay, basically what you're going to learn how to do, first of all, it's completely free. You don't spend any money for this. It relies on a little known hack. I'm not going to tell you the details about it, but it relies on a little known hack inside of Google. I think that much I can tell you without giving away the whole secret. Basically, you're going to be using Google. You can set up a free Google account to do this. And they're going to show you how to access pre-existing lists, send to anybody in any niche you want. So you can literally hit any niche. You don't even have to have a list. You don't have to have an order responder. You don't have any of the usual stuff in order to make this work. Pretty much the only thing you do need to have in order to make this thing work is going to be something to attract people, which is where I come in, of course. Because as always, and not to toot my own horn, although I can do that now. You can see here, I was at an antique store yesterday. I picked this up. It's really cool. See, toot my own horn, seriously. but seriously. So I've actually got 13 different bonuses to give away to you when you pick this up from me. So I'm going to give you free Facebook traffic strategies video course. I'm going to give you the traffic handbook video course. I'm going to give you modern niche marketing video course. I'm going to give you the internet marketing for complete beginners video course. I'm going to give you the sales funnel optimization strategy video course. I'm going to give you the Facebook ads video course. I'm going to give you the Facebook Messenger bot marketing unleashed video course, YouTube authority video course, the internet marketer's handbook video course, the online viral marketing secrets video course, LinkedIn success video course, the modern Instagram marketing video course, and 30 days of content marketing plan video course. Oh, and plus commission fire video course and 10K blueprint video course. And just to make things even more interesting, evergreen internet profits video course and Facebook ads domination video course. So yeah, that's a lot. I just got these. These are fresh. I have never given these away before. I'm currently uploading them to my server. So if you pick this up too early, you may have to wait a little bit, but they will be in the bonus stock. You're going to get all of these things when you pick this up from me. Now, if you pick up the entire funnel from me, that means that you pick up everything start to finish, the whole kit and caboodle. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to write your sales page for you. I'm going to make a custom video for you. I will do all the work for you. This is a $2,000 offer that I usually charge $2,000 to make a sales page for customers. That you're going to get included completely for free when you pick up the entire funnel from me. Okay, let's check out the members area real quick over here. It's just your very basic members area. You can see here, it's just going to be a PDF that you're going to be downloading with links to the videos. And this is an awesome product, by the way. I'm really, really impressed with what these two guys have been able to put together. Really just blew my mind when I was watching this. I was like, wow, I have to do this. I have to tell you guys about this, because this is really going to help you out a lot. So let's see if I'm going to go ahead and give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not.
You the man.
Yeah, seriously. Okay. You the man. This is awesome. I love this thing. This is going to help you so much. The guy behind me, he'd be giving a huge tip of his hat too if he wasn't a painting, but I'm going to give a tip of my hat because this is totally insane. Pick this up, you're going to love it.